Come on. Here's some orange juice. Oh, look, I made a cake. Great, let me just finish my juice. This looks delicious.
Phew! Tough. Haha, you got pranked.
Red, you piece of...
Come here, Blue. Let's cook a cake. Let's put the ingredients here.
That goes there, okay. How about
No,
some
it's okay, Blue.
We're missing one ingredient. Well, can you get the eggs from the chest?
Haha, you got pranked.
LOL, loser.
Come on, Yellow. I built something. I want you to test it.
Okay.
Do it, Yellow. Whoa.
Pew!
Haha, you got pranked too. Pranked too.
So I'm gonna put the cake here and...
Hey, Green.
Yeah.
Look, diamonds.
Ooh.
I'm just gonna... Haha, you got pranked.
Wait, what? Nice try.
Huh? How'd you do that so fast?
I got my tricks up my sleeve. It's okay, you're right. Oh, come on.
I'll get you.
Isn't it funny?
Hey, Green.
Oh, come on. It's okay, right?
Hey, Green.
Yeah.
Can you get me that?
Sure.
Wait, no.